Hello, this is the eSuite Counter Bunnies program which helps children learn from numbers 1 to 10. Okay, so as you can see, there are a variety of activities. You've got number before, number after, two less, two more, numbers in between, going forward, and so on. The first one I'll show you is number before A, which is this one here. Okay, so the idea here, it's very simple. You've got the 4 at the top and you have to decide which number at the bottom goes before the number at the top. So is it 6, 3 or 7? I think it's 3, so I'm just going to put it into place and see if I've got it right or not, which obviously I have because I've had the reward. Okay, so before it moves on to the next activity, I'll return to the menu. So I can show you the number before B activity, which is a bit harder. Because the idea here is you have all the numbers at the top and you have to decide which number at the bottom corresponds with those numbers above. So you've got 4 here, so 3 goes before 4, 2 goes before 3, 8 goes before 9, and so on. And once you've completed all these activities, you press enter to see if you got it right or not. Okay, so we'll go back to the menu. And the following activities, like the number after, 2 less, 2 more, numbers in between, all work in a very similar way to the ones that I've just shown you. But the ones on the right are a little bit more different. So if you go into going forward, if you go into the task icon, as you can see, the idea is here you have to put the bunnies in order starting with the smallest number. So it's just a very simple number line. So we start off by putting 1, and then we can put 10 over here. And then you just have to put all the numbers in the correct position which are in between, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And then if you go in to going backwards, this is a very similar idea, but obviously it's a backward number line, so you put the 10 here, and then you can put 1 over here, and then you have to put in all the numbers in between. Okay, so with odd and even bunnies, again, this is quite simple. So the idea is you put the odd number bunnies in the above box, like 5, and then the even bunnies in the box beneath the odd bunnies box. So 8, 6, 4, 2, and so on. Now we go into bonds to 10. Again, this is quite simple, so you just do your number bonds. So 1 and 9 is 1, and it can be in any sequence. You can do 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and 5 and 5. Then we can go into difference. And the idea here is that you have to put the numbers in the correct position. So the idea is 7 is 3 more than 4, and 4 is 3 less than 7. So this one can be a little bit challenging, but obviously I got it correct. And then with number words, this is quite simple again. So the idea is you just match the number to the word. So 1 goes here, and then it's 2, 3, and so on. And then with first to fifth on the bus, the idea is you just put, it's just very simple sequential activity. So you just put, so this bunny here is first, this bunny is second, this bunny here is third, and so on. Okay, so that just gives you a very brief introduction to the Bunnies title.